All right, welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 12. So, this is what's greeting me as I drive up. It's kind of a gloomy, miserable day. It's overcast, cloudy, no rain though. And as you see, the reticle's not on the pard. I took it off because I didn't want to have that date stamp. And I forgot that if you don't have the date stamp, then you'd lose the reticle. So, aiming for the one in the center here. And take him out right after I park the car and get out. This is what was on they were on the roof, so this is on the adjoining roof. So I take him out and he comes flying back to see what happened to his buddy. So I of course have to take him out. These two are sitting pretty. Take the one in the back. He eventually falls. I just stopped recording before he fell down for the cats to get him. My favorite starling tree. Taking the one in the middle. I love that tree. They fly away, but they come back. Another one down. Fly away, another one comes back. And of course, I'm lucky enough that they, once again, all come flying back again. That line you see in the middle, those are actually high power lines, about 500 yards away. And it looks like it's in the pard, but it's not. Those are actual power lines. So it took me a while to find one that would actually sit still for me to finally take a shot at. So I was aiming for that center one. And then I'm aiming for this guy, and lo and behold, he takes off. So then I'm like, I'm going to get this guy. And I do. And of course, one or two come back, so I'm like, thank you. And take him out. Now this one I'm shooting that dark brown one just to the right of center that's facing us. So I'm like a little bit too fast, so let's take a slow-mo on that one. So again, it's the dark brown one that's facing us on the right, just right of the gray one. Yeah, it's a nice shot. Right in the Boilermaker, so that pigeon's not going anywhere. This one's a lone one. He does not get far. This one was inside the barn on top of the fencing, so I was like, well, time to do a backflip. This one I'm aiming for the one that's sitting in the middle. It's an amazing shot. Never really seen a shot like this, where literally it's planted and then he just kind of turns around and that's that. And then this one came to see investigate, so yep, I take him out. Now I'm inside the barn and in my favorite corners. This one's looking over the door. I'm like, okay. My favorite nest site. Man, that thing is so grungy and dirty. Ugh. These guys are in the channel. And this guy just, he never fell. He stayed up there. This one came down and kitty cat's got a hold of him. This one's playing peekaboo. Doesn't think I can see him. It's a real dark corner. I just shot him and he just rolls over. This one, he's inside a barn. I'm like, did I miss him? I turn around real fast, and there you see he does his crash and burn. So I didn't miss him, but boy, did he take off like I missed him. Same thing happens to this one. I'm like, oh man, did I miss? No. He's just gonna kind of stop there. This is a 50-yard shot on a sparrow. That was a nice pillow. This is an amazing shot. He never came off of that. I mean, that's like a 6x6, whatever that thing is up there. Okay, so now it's another day. You can see it's not cloudy, and the reticle's back on. So I get out of my car, and again, those three were just sitting there. So I line up on them and take this guy. Unfortunately, he lands on top of the little building that all the farm workers work in, so I couldn't get him down. This one's underneath the eaves, and here's another one that you just put the shot just right, and they don't fall. They just stop right there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.